How to use Grok Tasks 2026 guide. What if you could set up Grok to automatically research topics, summarize news, monitor competitors, and deliver the results to your email every single day completely on autopilot? In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to use Grok Tasks in 2026 step by step, so you can automate your research and stay ahead without lifting a finger. Grok Tasks is a scheduling feature that runs your prompts automatically on a schedule you define. Once created, Grok will execute your task at the time you set, gather information in real time from X, and deliver the results directly to your email and optionally to your phone. This works for free with limitations or unlimited if you have a paid plan. Let us get into it. Step 1. Open Grok. Go to grok.com on your browser or open the Grok app on your phone. You can also access Grok directly from the X sidebar if you prefer. Step 2. Click on Tasks. In the left sidebar menu where you see Settings and Files, click on Tasks. This opens the Tasks Management page where you can create, view, and manage all your automated tasks. Step 3. Click Create Task in the top right corner to start building a new automated task. Step 4. Give your task a name. Type a clear descriptive name that tells you what the task does. For example, Daily Tech News Roundup or Weekly Competitor Activity Monitor. Step 5. Set your frequency. Choose how often you want this task to run. Your options are daily, weekly, or monthly. Daily is best for fast-moving topics like breaking news or market updates. Weekly is better for slower burn research like industry trends or competitor deep dives. Monthly is good for long-term tracking. Step 6. Set your preferred time. Choose what time of day you want the task to run and deliver results. For daily tasks, pick a time that works for you. For weekly tasks, select the day and time. This is when you will receive your results. Step 7. Write your prompt or instruction. This is the core of your task. Type exactly what you want Grok to research and deliver to you. For example, you could write, summarize the top trending AI news today, or find the latest funding announcements from companies in the crypto space, or compile all recent updates about Tesla from X. Step 8. Choose expert mode if needed. If you want Grok to use its most advanced reasoning model for deeper analysis, toggle expert mode on. This uses more processing power but gives you more thorough results. Step 9. Enable notifications. Choose whether you want email delivery, push notifications to your phone, or both. Make sure your phone has the Grok app installed if you want push notifications. Step 10. Click Create Task. Confirm your settings and create the task. Your task is now live and will run automatically on the schedule you set. Now here is important information about your free limits. If you have a free X account or X Premium, you get 2 daily tasks for free. You can also schedule up to 10 weekly or monthly tasks without paying. If you need unlimited tasks, you will need Super Grok at $30 per month or X Premium Plus at $40 per month. Now here is your pro tip. The most effective way to use Grok Tasks is to stack different frequency levels. Use your 2 free daily tasks for topics that change fast like breaking news, sports scores, or crypto market updates. Use your weekly tasks for slower burn research like industry trends, competitor monitoring, or product launches. This way you cover both real-time and longer-term intelligence, without wasting your free limit on things you only need weekly. So to recap, go to grok.com, click Tasks in the left sidebar, click Create Task, name your task, set your frequency to daily, weekly, or monthly, set your preferred time. Write your research prompt, enable expert mode if needed, choose email or push notifications, and click Create Task. If this video helped you set up automated research with Grok Tasks, hit the like button and subscribe for more Grok and AI automation guides. And drop a comment below telling me what tasks you are going to automate. See you in the next one.